All right, so we're going to look at these word problems here with two right angles. So I'm not going to read the whole problem to you. Feel free to pause and read it. But what they're asking us to find is this distance right here, the height of the lighthouse. So we kind of have two triangles here, right? We have the triangle with this 48.1 degree angle, and so this would be x, right? And then we also have this triangle with the 50.5, that's this whole distance, right? And this whole distance is x plus h. So we can write two different equations here. So for the green guy, for the 48.1, we would say the tangent of 48.1 is x over 1100, which if I then solved it for x, I would have x is 1100 tangent 48.1. Now let's look at the blue guy. So our blue guy would be the tangent of 50.5 is x plus h over 1100. So if we solve that for x, we'll have 1100 tangent 50.5 equals x plus h. But remember, at the grand scheme of things, with everything here, what we're trying to find is just h, right? So if we solve this for h instead of for x, we will have that h is 1100 tangent 50.5 minus x, right? And we know what x is because we found it a second ago. So we would be doing 1100 tangent 50.5 minus 1100 tangent 48.1. I'm not going to bother to put all that in the calculator. You can type, right? But be sure that you're in degrees, right? Because the problem's in degrees. Let's look at another one. This one, we're just looking for the total distance we're looking for the end of the triangle here. So we have two distances right here. So we're trying to find the length of this entire tunnel. So the length of the tunnel is x plus y, right? So if I'm looking for x, let's see, again, we're going to, well, we're not using tangent here, sorry. We're going to use what? Sine. So we'll have the sine of 58 is x over 340. So x is 340 sine 58. And then for y, we'll have the sine of 21 is y over 193. So y is 193 sine 21. And so we just want to add those two together, right? So in the calculator, you do 340 sine 58 plus 193 sine 21. There you are.